Hello guys, today we are making a solder fume extractor 5 and a carbon filter. As soldering fumes can be really dangerous in long-term exposure, if you do soldering work, please make it. And also like and subscribe. White one is PM 2.5 filter, and grey one is carbon filter. This fume extractor will be able to run on battery, or if you're using it for long soldering sessions, you can use it with 12-volt power adapter directly. Then you don't have to worry about recharging the device. See, this is running on battery. Connect this 12-volt socket outputs directly with boost converter's output using a diode as shown in the video. See the wiring closely. If you want connection diagram, then you can ask in the comments. Now attache the filters and make sure there is no air gap. Now it's running on battery. And now on directly with 12-volt adapter. See, there is no smoke coming from backside. Filters are stopping smoke. This is solder flux. This fume is very dangerous in long-term exposure. If you found this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.